Welcome back to another construction update. Starting off with the outside, they just finished the pad, which they added some texture to it. The pad is where we park the newest and nicest cars on our lot. First things first, they just finished painting the ceiling and it looks awesome. Over here is where our salespeople are going to be sitting, and over here is going to be part of our huge customer waiting area. Behind me is going to be the future homes to our sales managers, and over here is going to be the finance managers' offices. Through this corridor is where the future delivery drive will be. This is where customers will pick up their new cars. And this staircase behind me will actually lead you to the brand new rooftop waiting area that you can sit on while you're waiting for your car to be done. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more updates to come.